Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification icon so that you get alerted anytime I release new videos. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for your support of my channel. So today I'm going to continue on with the tutorial videos, and we're going to focus on how to use the print feature in Microsoft Office. Alright, so anyone who uses office productivity software will need to print a document at some point. Printing options, they vary depending on which application you're actually using, but still follow the same basic steps. So if you use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, still follow pretty much the same principles. There's just some different formatting issues that you'll have to be concerned with, and I will cover later on in these videos. So for today's video, we're going to focus on, of course, Microsoft Word. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to the File tab, as with most functions. Click Print, and right here you're going to see a drop down that you can do for your printers. And you can also just go ahead and print it directly to PDF, send to OneNote or XPS, if that's what you would like to do. So you're going to go ahead and select the settings that you want to apply, and there's tons of different settings, such as whether you want your margins changed, if you want collated, double-sided printing, print all pages, or just select certain pages. You're going to go ahead and preview the document in the preview pane. Right here you're going to choose the number of copies to print, and then you're going to click the print button. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at this with a real document. Alright, so as you can see, I have a document up. You're going to go ahead and go to File, go to Print, and you have your drop down to select which printer. I currently don't have an actual physical printer. I usually just print directly to PDF. You can go ahead and select all your different settings, so portrait, landscape, collated, uncollated, one-sided, double-sided, normal margins, thinner margins. You have quite a bit of formatting options. You do have a lot of extra formatting properties here. If you have a printer set up, it's going to give you a lot of additional properties for that, such as if you want to print black and white or color. And then you get to select your actual number of copies. Then again, you're going to go ahead and print. So another option is, if you see right here, this is the print preview. So again, you can actually add the option to add quick print or a print preview option, and I do have quick print. What this does is you can click that icon and it'll automatically print whatever settings you have as default. But if you click print preview, then this is actually a shortcut to the print functionality within Microsoft Word. And again, you can adjust your settings and go ahead and print. Well, that's going to be it for this video, everyone. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and thank you for watching. Have a good night.